Hello everybody, welcome to a new video. Today we'll be joined by saber-tooth tiger. But as you can see in most of his videos that he's been in, his face has either had a mask on it or it's been blurred. But today, something will happen. Please come in, my guest. And it's not out. Yeah.
This is my face.
Yeah. I don't think they can see it.
Oh, there we go.
That's his face, guys. This is Diamond Saber-tooth Tiger. He'll be in some of my videos sometimes. And yeah.
Okay.
So, today we are doing, as you can see, this box. So, my dad's going to put an item in here. And then you guys can see it, but I can't. So, I'm going to have to put my hand in and guess what it actually is. So, we're both going to be taking turns. How much items is there?
9 or 10.
Okay, so about that much. And so let's put in the first item. Come on, come on,
let's
go.
go.
So we're gonna close our eyes. My dad's gonna put it in the item.
Yeah, why are you standing there? Why not over there?
Okay, he's putting in the item. I can't see a thing.
Okay.
So whose turn is it first?
I don't know.
Okay, you pick.
I want to go first.
Okay.
Okay. Well,
Josh,
you should have been in position
keep
over there.
Keep your eyes closed.
That was so hard to even just get in.
Stand up.
Just
Okay,
get
we're
in
gonna.
there.
Yeah, we're gonna do that next time.
Is the item in?
It's in.
Okay. Where am I sitting? Okay, I'm sitting here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So here is our saber-tooth.
Okay.
This is the first item right here. I actually don't know what that is.
Is this a can opener?
Yes,
Yes?
Yes.
You figured it out.
with one hand.
Yeah. Just one hand. Now, let's go to the side. Oh, wait, I didn't even put the lights on. So you guys can even see better.
Okay.
Okay, close your eyes. Josh, you don't really,
I don't need to close my eyes.
Okay, put in the item. My assistant. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Is it in?
Follow me. Yeah, it's in. Follow me.
Okay,
Okay.
I can't see the item like that.
There.
Okay.
Now put your hand in there.
So, see everyone, this is what the item is. I can't even see what it is. Is it a clothes hanger?
No. It's not a close hanger.
You know what I mean. Clothes clipper, like the little clipper thingy for bobbers.
There's a name for it.
On the clothes hanger?
Oh.
Close hanger?
I don't know what it is. I don't know what this is called, guys.
Nope.
Okay, he's trying to give, Diamond Saber-tooth's trying to give me hints, but a pin? Oh, clothespin. Thank you. I owe you one.
Okay.
Failed.
Yeah. Now it's my turn again. Here we go.
Diamond Saber-tooth.
Let's go.
It's even harder.
Let's go.
You're supposed to stand over there in the
Yeah.
corner.
In the corner.
Keep your eyes open. There's nothing in the box.
Oh, okay. I go in the corner.
Okay.
I'm in trouble.
Oh yeah, guys. Kiba said he found his ninja headband, so I'll show you it as we're waiting for the next object.
The object in.
Wait, I'll tell you. So this is Kiba's headband. He let me wear it today. So yeah.
The
So
object
next
in.
video he's in.
Yeah, is the object in?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
it is.
Okay, where am I going?
Sit over there.
Okay, here we go.
Whoa!
Whoa! There's the box. Okay.
Do you guys see what it is?
This is a Oreo cookie.
No.